Ever dreamed of a Caribbean getaway? The kind where the sun kisses your skin, the ocean whispers in your ear, and the sand feels like a soft carpet under your feet? Well, buckle up, dear wanderer, as we embark on a virtual journey to the Dominican Republic, the jewel of the Caribbean. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of this island nation where every street corner dances to the rhythm of merengue and bachata. The Dominican Republic isn't just a destination, it's a state of mind, an experience that begins the moment you start planning your trip. Don't know where to start? No worries, we've got you covered. First things first, decide on the perfect time to visit. For less crowd and great deals, consider visiting during the shoulder season, which is April to June and late November to mid-December. But remember, the Dominican Republic is a tropical paradise all year round, so there's no wrong time to go. Once you've decided on the dates, it's time to book your flights and accommodation. Look for deals and discounts, but never compromise on comfort and convenience. Choose accommodations that reflect your personality and travel style. Now, let's talk about packing. When it comes to the Dominican Republic, less is more. Pack light, breathable clothing, a good pair of walking shoes, and don't forget your sunscreen and hat. Remember, you're on island time now, so leave your worries and your heavy luggage behind. Once you've landed, embrace the local culture, taste the mofongo, dance to the merengue, and lose yourself in the cobblestone streets of Zona Colonial. Remember, the best travel experiences come from stepping out of your comfort zone. And of course, don't forget to explore the country's natural beauty. From the stunning beaches of Punta Cana to the majestic Pico Duarte, the Dominican Republic is a paradise for nature lovers. In conclusion, planning your dream getaway to the Dominican Republic is all about timing, smart booking, packing light, embracing the local culture, and exploring the natural beauty of the island. Once you've got these down, you're all set for a Caribbean adventure like no other. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Dominican escape today. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only a page. So turn the page and let the Dominican Republic be your next chapter. From the rhythm of the merengue to the taste of the mofongo, the Dominican Republic is waiting to take you on a journey you'll never forget. So, pack your bags, bring your sun hat, and get ready to experience the Caribbean like never before. After all, paradise isn't a place, it's a feeling. And there's no better place to catch that feeling than in the Dominican Republic. Safe travels, dear wanderers, and may your journey be filled with unforgettable moments and breathtaking view. If you are a newcomer, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for supporting this channel.